Hello, today is Janmashtami on the arrival of Lord Krishna. So I am going to make a cradle Jhula from only twigs from my garden and string. First you have to get your string and start tying it around your twigs. Once you've done that, you need to get a little twig to support it. Once you've done that, you can join both of them with another twig. After that, you can make this little swing out of paper. Happy Janmashtami to all, and Jai Shri Krishna. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.